So welcome to the Rajasthan Police Hackathon. Right now we are in one innovation जिसका नाम है VDID, स्टैंड फॉर व्हीकल एंड ड्राइवर इंफॉर्मेशन डिवाइस। तो सर समझाने कि इसका क्या बेनिफिट है और कैसे हेल्पफुल हो सकता है, नॉर्मल पब्लिक को क्या बेनिफिट हो सकता है, लॉ एनफोर्समेंट को कैसे मदद मिल सकती है। सो प्लीज़ सर एक बार बताइए। Yeah, you can speak in English also.
Imagine you're driving a car, bike or something, okay? Suddenly, traffic police officer stop you and ask you to show driving license, vehicle insurance, or some details, right? My question is, without stopping your vehicle, is it possible for you to carry the DL information and the vehicle information to the traffic police when your vehicle is on the road? Is it possible? Without stopping your vehicle?
No.
Currently. From traffic police point of view, okay? Without stopping any vehicle, without using the electronic camera, without seeing the CCTV camera, is it possible for a traffic police officer, by just seeing through a normal eye, this vehicle does not have insurance, this vehicle has insurance, this vehicle has all the documents, but the driver who drives the vehicle does not have a vehicle, but just seeing through a normal eye without stopping any vehicle, is it possible for a traffic police officer? Is it possible to have innovative device, technology called VD, Vehicle and Driver Information? How does it work? This device will be used by the public and not by the department. Okay. If you install the device in your scooter, car, bike, or something, it will give the information, driver information and the vehicle information, like so. So the information on the
person drive the car, so what if another person drive the car?
it will show accurate information. That is, the vehicle has a document, but the driver does not have the document. It gives a precise information. We are including the AI information.
This is a gadget.
Gadget.
Like RFID.
Can you show the?
No, it is under prototype.
Okay, it's under prototype. It's just an idea. They are just working on it.
Which driver which have DL?
Yes.
Which
Like fast track
device.
Yeah, if you are a driver, you can buy the device from us. Install the device in your car, scooty, bike, auto, whatever. Okay. And create an account and download the app. Create an account just like a Gmail ID. Upload your data and the app sends information to you.
Oh, sir, I just counter cross your question. There is one application named Digital Local. DigiLocal. So we also upload on that particular application. So what is the benefit of that particular thing? Why I carry this kind of thing?
No need to carry. You can upload the document DigiLocal.
Yeah.
Again, if a traffic police officer asks you to stop it, you have to stop it.
Yeah.
On the move, will you pass the information?
So right now our police is not so much intelligent, or we can say it's not much high tech. So how they understand about that? Then without stopping, they get the information.
Yes,
Because police officer just stop them and then they go for the challan. There is no option like stand by and then.
Yeah, it's such one. It seems to be a deep technology, but it is a very simple technology. That is how we design. We all know about traffic signal. What does mean by that?
Means what if the traffic police doesn't know about this device and we
It's technology,
overtake,
yes.
Yeah,
we overtake
I will
and
explain.
Okay, nowadays there is one technology is going on. If there is any vehicle going on, then they will cut the challan if they cross the some rules, right? They just violate the rules, like high speed, or we can do without helmet. There is option. The cameras capture and they send the challan with particular number. So in that case, they will tell that I am using VDID device. I have all the documents. Then how we prove that? On that time, I have the documents. Tell me that.
One, this is for document verification. It's not for speed.
Oh,
That is what I want to say. In a day, a traffic police officer, could you tell me how much of time he spends in verifying a document with one person?
minimum 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay, take 5 minutes. No time, 5 minutes. In a road, on road, one person 5 minutes. Think about entire city. 35 districts, one state, 28 states in India, just for document verification. I'm not talking about helmet case or speed limit on drunken case. In a daily life, Monday to Friday, 9 to 5 job, traffic police officers are conducting document verification for me. 5 minutes, 1 person. How many millions of minutes are wasted in the manual verification? To convert the manual verification, to reduce the time, to save your time as well as the department time. We are giving a technology that gives you automatic verification. That's it.
Oh, that's great. Super. You are from which place, sir?
From Chennai.
Chennai. A wonderful institute. That's why you are thinking like this, because that is advanced.
Yeah, this seems to be advanced, but keeping in mind, I'm a common person. Okay, so we are designing the technology in a simple way because
helpful for
it has to be reached to even for auto person or who drives auto. We all know about traffic signal, right? What is meant by that? Simple stop. What is meant by alert? Be alert. What is meant by green? You are ready, you can go. The same technology.
That's great. Super.
Simple. Anyone can understand.
That's super. Wonderful, sir. Thank you very much for the explanation. That's great.